Code of the street. Let you know how it is out here, I'm saying. On the concrete. What? Code of the rule number one, must trust no one. Whether you drug bust or lust for just us. Every man for himself with his wealth or whatever else. Clever got stealth and they bad for your health. And you wanna hear the truth? These streets, the youth will lick shots from the roof to make it disappear. Streets will eat you up alive. Stay consciously aware of that. Stay on point no matter where you're at. In these streets I'm in the foul, but I'ma be the child with the style of a general. And it's been a while since me or any of them I'm in a smile in the face. You never heard a case till they caught a murder case. Street life, nothing merciful. My man a versatile. Clip at you, ratchet to tattoo, that is natural. You need to eat or summer meet the feet. We all hold heat up in the street. What? Code of the militant, diligent, stay intelligent, sentiment for the innocent. That is irrelevant. Keep the pocket fat like an elephant. Smoke a brother just for the hell of it. What? Code of the street. Buckshot, duck shot, look out. Sleep on the streets and you get your ass took out. You wanna stay a lead and grow old and complete? It's a must that you roll with the what? The code of the street. In the streets, on the code of the street is to have a kid's fleet deleted just to get what's needed. Catch a case, beat it, or you getting bent up. Can't pay the cops, then hops, you getting sent